friends, welcome to CFD for Engineers. Today we will see different video on grid independent study. Particularly this grid independent study is very much important when we will go for research paper writing. At that time every reviewers ask for grid independent study. Importance of grid independent study is that in this study you will get to know that which number of mesh or number of elements and nodes can give better results with minimum error. So for that purpose we will going to see videos related to grid independent study. So watch this video up to end and feel free to subscribe my channel by pressing subscribe button and press bell icon to get a notification from my channel. Thank you and enjoy the video. As the number of mesh size is more, that's why it will take more time to edit mesh. You need to have patience. In between, if you see the table, so if I do some changes, it means how much mesh size has been increased by reducing the global scale factor that we can see. Okay, now we can see at global scale factor 1 the number of element was 9,69,701. When I reduce global scale factor 1 to 0.5, then number of elements is increased 75,15,622. Same way the number of node is also increased. It means we need to, if we increase the global scale factor from 1 to 0.5, then number of elements and number of node will be reduced. So there is different case happens with a different problem. For particularly this problem, I found that as increasing the global scale factor, there is a reduction in number of elements and nodes. But most of the problem it happens in reverse. It means as increase the global scale factor, there is an increase in elements and nodes. But let it be. We will study this part. So once I will say edit, so it is taking time for editing. Yes. Then do global smoothing. So this process, it means once you sit for your grid independent study part, you need to finish first part to finish all your mesh generating mesh. So once you finish that, save properly, then go for next part. Then we will go for output, apply, accept, yes, open. Here I can write global scale factor 0.5. Okay. Yes. Right. Already I have written one global scale factor 0.5. So it is asking me whether I need to replace it or overwrite. So I can say you can overwrite. So it is doing overwriting. Okay. So once you do this writing, we will go for third global scale factor, that is 1.5, and same we will write our number of elements and nodes in our table. Now we can see we got a message done with translation. It means it is successfully written. Then go for another third type. So instead of, so we will say 1.5, say apply, compute. So we are doing our third iteration, that is global scale factor 1.5, say apply, then go for compute mesh, I can say compute, say replace. Let's see how much time is required for it. So it is doing fast, that's good. See how many elements and node. So elements, I can say copy, and I will going to paste in our column. Control V. Then nodes, Control C, and Control V. Control V. Now we can see how much it is. So number of elements get reduced from 9 lakhs to 2 lakhs, where number of nodes get reduced 1,60,000 to 48,000. So this much reduction is there, that's okay. Then we will move further, edit mesh, check mesh, say apply. Subset, yes, delete. So as number of mesh count is less, that's why you can move fast. Okay, go for solver, say apply, you can accept it, no parameter, save, yes, open. Here I can say global scale factor 1.5. Done. Yes, done with translation. Then again go for mesh, it's 2, say apply, compute, replace. See how much mesh count. Control C, Control V, Control C, and paste our node. So now you can see node reduced by 48 to 21,000, and again number of elements get reduced 2 lakh to 1,27,000. Then go for edit mesh, apply, create subset, yes, apply, go for scale factor 2. It is 2. Okay. Done. Done with the translation. Go for 2.5 global scale factor. Say apply. Compute. Replace. Now you can see as mesh count is get reduced, how fast we are doing. So it is element 68,000. And nodes we will copy 11,000. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to subscribe my channel by pressing subscribe button and press bell icon so that you will get notification. Thank you very